In order to access the PowerPivot ribbons, you need to, in your version of Excel, click on PowerPivot tab, and depending on the version you've got, it'll either say PowerPivot or Manage here. And when you click on this, the PowerPivot window will appear. Let us now work through each of these ribbons, and we'll start with the Home ribbon. So the Home ribbon is made up of a number of buttons. First one are various ways of pasting into PowerPivot, which is covered in the Import section of the course. You'll see the next few buttons involve getting external data from databases, data services, etc. Depending on where you got them from, you can refresh them. There's a very important button here which allows you to take the PowerPivot information and turn it into a pivot table, pivot chart, etc. in your Excel file. You can control the formatting of the PowerPivot data, keeping in mind that if you click on one cell and you change the format, the entire column's format will change. A very useful feature is here by the Sort and Filter section. So you've got your normal rules, sorting ascending, descending order, adding the filters, but here there's something called Sort by Column. Let's explain this quickly. In this example over here, I have the day of week number, so Monday would be a 1, Tuesday a 2, etc. And I've written the day of the week. The problem is if I ask PowerPivot to sort based on the day of the week, so let's go here and we're going to say sort like that, it correctly sorts it alphabetically. So Friday comes first, Monday, Saturday, etc. And there's no real good way to get this to sort the way we want, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. What we can do is use the Sort by Column feature. So when I click on it, you'll see it says Sort by Column. I'm going to click on it. And what I'm now telling it is this column, day of week name, please use the sort order found in another column, day of week number. So please look here, sort this in, let's say, ascending order, and however these sort, that's how this must sort. So when I say OK, you'll see nothing special happens. What I'm just going to do now is sort in descending order. So you'll see I've clicked here. When I say descending, you'll see now instead of doing it alphabetically, it's using these numbers here. Let's sort in ascending. You'll see again, even though this is not the normal A to Z sort order, it is using what we would prefer as the sort order. Continuing with the Home ribbon, the next one here you've got something called Find. If I click on it, it asks to find what? So I'm going to find the word number. When I say find next, you'll see it finds any column header with the word number in it. There are a couple of calculations you can do in here, some auto sums depending on what you clicked on. So if I'm clicked in that cell and I say auto sum, or you'll notice the other ones, what it does, it gives me a total. Just need to make it wider. Gives me a total for that column. Also in the Home ribbon, a couple of views. So depending on what you want to see, you can show various items. You can mess with the calculation area. This is considered a diagram view, a data view. If I click here, this is what the diagram view looks like, which will be explained later in the course. And we can go back to the data view.